everybody okay in there?
Hello slot car fans, this is Rob DeLeon with the DeLeon Slot Car Raceway, and today we're doing a little race with a couple of friends. We've got Ed here in the blue shirt, and we've got Joe in the white shirt. Let's race.
Born to run, baby. Born to run. Welcome to the DeLeon.
Our first race features two Porsches. Our special guest Ed will be driving the Scale Extra white Porsche 911 RSR. And our resident slot racer buddy Joe Bob will be driving the red 1973 Porsche 911. We will race 25 laps and then switch lanes for another 25. Drivers, to your marks.
3, 2, 1, go. Buddy Joe Bob did a personal best lap time. Buddy Joe Bob did a new fastest lap. Buddy Joe Bob did a personal best lap time. Fastest by Buddy Joe Bob. Ed did a personal best lap time. Buddy Joe Bob did a personal best lap time. Buddy Joe Bob did a new fastest lap. Buddy Joe Bob did a new fastest lap. Lap time. Buddy Joe Bob did a new fastest lap.
Are we really looking at a 2-lap lead?
You gotta do this more, you gotta be racing people.
We'll swap lanes.
Yeah, I know. No.
Ed's got a 5.2, Joe's got a 5.45.
Oh, you see that?
360 spin. Okay, Mark, set, go. 10 laps left. Joe's on lap 16, Ed's on lap 13. Joe's got a best time of 4.5, Ed's got a best time of 5.2.
He was already doing probably against Porsche when we were practicing.
I think it was down for the we'll get a chance to do that again.
Okay, yeah, we'll do it.
4 laps to go.
Buddy Joe Bob did a new fastest lap. Buddy Joe Bob is in the lead. Only 2 laps left. Attention, only 1 lap left.
1 lap left. And he's gonna wait. He's gonna pull that in. Okay. Swap lanes.
I did that once, remember when you kicked me out the track?
Yeah. Okay, 25 laps. Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, my car didn't do it.
Buddy Joe Bob did a personal best lap time. Fastest lap by Buddy Joe Bob. New personal best lap time by Ed. Buddy Joe Bob did a personal best lap time. Buddy Joe Bob did a new fastest lap. New personal best lap time by Ed. New personal best lap time
Joe's
by
got a
Buddy Joe
4.7,
Bob.
Ed's got a
Fastest lap
4.9.
by Buddy Joe Bob. Ed did a personal best lap time. Ed did a new fastest lap. Buddy Joe Bob did a
Wait
personal
for
best
your
lap
crash,
time.
right?
Fastest lap by Buddy Joe Bob. New personal best lap time by Ed. New personal best lap time by Buddy Joe Bob. Fastest lap by Buddy Joe Bob. New personal best lap time by Ed. New personal best lap time by Buddy Joe Bob. Buddy Joe Bob did a new fastest lap. New personal best lap time by Ed.
14 laps left.
Buddy Joe Bob did a personal best lap time.
12.
Buddy Joe Bob did a new fastest
Joe's
lap.
got a
New
4.4.
personal best
And
lap
he's got a
time.
4.6. Now he's gonna get real aggressive and crash. Watch.
You
Let
think
me
you
put some
know?
pressure on
You
Joe.
don't know.
Put some pressure on Joe. He doesn't want to get hard.
New personal best lap time by Ed.
I wouldn't crash if you were driving so fast behind me.
I blame Rob all the time to get out.
Oh, it's getting close.
Holy Joe.
5 laps to go. You can do it.
I'm trying.
Buggy Joe Bob.
Utilize that faster lane, outside lane.
Holy Joe.
2 laps left.
Attention.
Joe's got a 4.4, Ed's got a 4.4.
Congratulations, Buggy Joe Bob for winning the race. Ed finished second.
Ooh, that was close. That was close.
Buddy Joe Bob wins this one, but just barely. Join us next week when Ed returns with this NSR Porsche to try one more chance to beat Buddy Joe Bob. Thanks for watching, and if you like this kind of content, please give us a like and subscribe.